Hi, I'm Roland Hagan, Vice President, System X Servers. I'm here at our world-class briefing center in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is an incredibly important time for us at IBM and, more importantly, for our clients. And we're bringing you the next generation of System X and Blade Center, a new generation of products that deliver a dynamic infrastructure. At IBM, we want to help the world run smarter. System X and Blade Center can help you create an intelligent IT infrastructure. An infrastructure that is easier to manage, costs less, and is as dynamic as today's business climate. IBM's commitment to innovation harnesses the high performance of the Intel processor. You need to improve service levels to your end users. The new version of Systems Director 6.1 reduces complexity thanks to a consistent, easy-to-use, and unified platform management interface. We know high IT costs hurt innovation, competitiveness, and growth. Our new servers will help reduce your operational costs thanks to our energy-efficient designs. And you want to simplify your infrastructure. As an example, our new HS22 Blade gives you the ability to migrate your existing rack and tower servers to a more flexible, powerful, and energy-efficient platform. These products offer some amazing advances that took years of research and development.
Hi, I'm Scott Hawkins, Marketing Manager for IBM System X and Blade Center. While Intel continues to revolutionize IT with its latest Intel Xeon processor, the processor is just the beginning. The partnership between Intel and IBM Innovation takes it to the next level. I'm here with Kirk McFall, Senior Field Applications Engineer with Intel. Kirk, tell us about the latest Xeon processor and how is it different than the previous generation?
Sure. The latest Intel Xeon processor 5500 series is actually highly advanced. Energy efficiency of the processor can be enabled such that it maintains its own levels of performance. Turbo boost technology, the advanced cache. What we end up with is essentially a very high performance processor that's not only gives you extreme levels of performance, also extreme levels of energy efficiency.
What kinds of features did IBM incorporate to take advantage of Xeon architecture?
IBM has incorporated essentially all of the new features that the processor has to offer. They've added additional memory DIMMs to their designs. They've enabled our turbo boost technology feature. They've obviously taken advantage of the energy efficiency the processor offers. IBM's really incorporated into all of their designs.
So it sounds like Intel and IBM share a similar view of the future data center.
It's all about energy efficiency as well as efficient use of both space and power. With the new processors involved from Intel as well as the system design that IBM's incorporated around them, you end up with a very high performance yet very energy efficient data center.
Also here is Mike Brinkman, Systems Developer for IBM System X.
Hi Scott.
Hi Mike, let's start with the IBM Blade Center HS22.
Well, like all of our Blade Center servers, it's versatile, easy to deploy, and easy to maintain. What sets the HS22 apart is it's optimized for power, cooling, and performance. It saves you money because we've given it the industry's most energy efficient design and power management tools like Active Energy Manager.
Well, it's no wonder that we call the HS22 our Blade server workhorse.
Absolutely.
And these are the X3550M2 and the X3650M2. Tell me about them.
These are our flagship 1U and 2U dual socket servers. They're designed for business critical applications like Lotus Notes, Microsoft Exchange, or even a customer's own application.
So tell us how the next generation of System X servers improve on the processor.
Well, Intel made significant improvements in virtualization and power control, but first and foremost, it's the performance increases. These servers will have a performance per watt that is just incredible compared to previous generations.
And how about the DX360 iDataplex?
This is the iDataplex DX360 M2, designed for high-performance computing workloads and internet scale computing. It offers 50% more density to customers running out of data center space and who are limited by power and cooling infrastructure.
Mike, it sounds like each of these servers offers true IBM innovation to add to the performance of Intel processors. And that's just what customers are looking for today.
The big question is, how does all this technology pay off for you, the customer? There's only one way to find out. We ask.
SciNet's mission is to provide high-performance computing resources for the researchers at the University of Toronto, the affiliated research hospitals, there's 10 of them, and in fact to researchers across Canada. We are going to have 4,000 servers, a total of 30,000 cores. The total theoretical capacity of this system is to do 300 trillion floating operations per second, which would make it the fastest supercomputer by far in Canada. Our preliminary testing right now on the newest Intel Xeon processor shows the Intel processor is winning by 25% as compared to some of the others. The key advantage that Scinet saw in this latest Xeon processor is the much improved memory bandwidth. Now this is really important for high performance computing applications because we typically move a lot of data from the processor to the RAM and back again. This Scinet project is almost the poster child for this green type of initiative. We knew early on that we had to be very careful with our power budget, and we wanted to design a data center that was extremely efficient. And what IBM has done is that they've come up with an innovative design for this data center which minimizes the amount of power that is needed for the cooling. And the combination of all these things gives us a highly efficient data center. In fact, it may very well be one of the most power efficient data centers in the world.
IBM servers with Xeon processors gives more power for our monitoring room and our mapping application, and this memory management is important for us. This memory management is put inside in this museum. 5500 processor is important. In one IBM Blade Center HS22 server we can serve 2 times more customer or clients than before. We use IBM Director. This is good software for change what we want at the time when we want. IBM servers and Blade Center, we can manage by this software. My proposal to the directors in the whole world, if they use the HS22, they have possibility to put more memory inside than before. They have enough power for the virtualization, and UEFI BIOS is simple and is flexible. This is a good way to save money. We save 2/3 on the power because of using virtualization on IBM servers with Xeon processors.
IBM engineers are developing new products that will help change how you do business.
This next generation of System X and Blade Center is doing away with the old, giving you the IT that does more with less and takes cost out.
We're helping our clients achieve a dynamic infrastructure
And create a smarter planet.